the parrot goes on the adventures of the ground. He falls down. Parrot, the parrot goes on the adventures of adventures. Oh, hi guys, do you wanna go play Hungry Hungry Apples? No? Okay, we'll let it. Let's go talk to our friends. Oh, hey, Parrot the Parrot, what are you doing? Are you okay? I always wonder why your leg always like that. I got it when I was a baby, but the pain gone away, so it's okay. Oh, I feel so sorry for you, Parrot the Parrot. Do you want me to get a cast for you? Parrot the Parrot? No, it's okay. I'm just only like to talk about it. The doctor said that I'm going to get a prosthetic anyways. Have you felt something that was very painful? Okay, that sounds very painful. Oh hey, do you want to learn about photosynthesis? Do you want to learn? We should learn it. Come on, let's go. So this right here is a sunflower. Sunflowers grow all the way tall. Taller than you. Oh, you better not. And don't worry about the bees. You see this flower over here? I had it since I was a kid. And I've been growing it. Oh, sorry, flower. Oh no, oh sorry. But I've been growing it since I was a little boy. Did you grow anything? That sounds very good. Do you want to go back to our friends, or you want to learn about more things? Okay, we should learn about more things. So over here we have a plant. He's like 5 years old. He's probably going to start his next stage tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, Monday or Sunday. So, what's your favorite week? Is it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Saturday or Sunday, or is it something else? Monday's my favorite. So, you wanna sing the ABCs with me? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, we will put the flower back so it doesn't die. Oopsie doopsie. So now, we're gonna learn about the letter E. The letter E is spelled for egg, omelet, and rules. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Rules. The E is silent. Silent E makes no letters. On to you, dinosaur, to teach them about silent E. Who wants magic E? Here comes magic E. I'm magic E. And I'm gonna turn everything into a loud letter. A, I, A. E, E, E. All my letters unite into the magic E. Magic E. Magic E. Oh, magic magic key. Turn everything to magic and special abilities. A makes the sound ah, but when you add me at the end, it makes the sound A. If you add E, like P, E, T, I'll do magic here. So if you add P, E, T, it makes, with a silent E at the end, it makes Pete. That E in Pete makes the sound E. E is when the silent E comes together. Now, silent E, oh, silent E. Silent E is magic key. Silent E is magic key. Silent E is magic key. So now, what else can you think that makes a magic wand? That's why we need to talk about S and E. Me and S are very good friends. And when me, C, and me come together, and C makes the sound S when it's next to me. Because we are best friends and we like to s at each other. That means hello in my language. Can everybody do s? Yes. S. When C and E comes together, it makes the sound s. Like the word nice. I. S. Nice. Say it with me. I. S. Nice. And then at the reason why the C is making that S sound is because it has a silent E at the end. So, because now we have to talk about silent I. Do you know how we put I, S? Now I control two of my letters at the same time. Because I, when I makes the sound it, and when you add E at the end, it makes I. So I, S, nice. Okay, that's enough, silent E. That's enough. Wait, no. I need to tell them about more. Wow, we learned a lot of loud letters. But now, I'm kind of tired. How do you like to spend the time at your house? Me too. I like to spend a lot of time doing that too. But there's a problem. I'm scared of the dark, and I need your help. I need to find a nightlight somewhere because the batteries in our nightlight is gonna turn off. What we do? No, it's off. Guys, Parrot the Parrot, where are you, Parrot the Parrot? Parrot the Parrot, what are you doing? Guys, it's in the dark in here. I'm scared for my life. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, Okay, what are you gonna do? You might see me as scary, but don't worry, I'm nice. Can anyone turn on the lights here? Anyone turn on the lights? What? Turn on the lights. It's shining all the lights. Please, Mama, hurry. Oh my God! Thank you, Mommy. Yay! Ah, my eyes are so blind. Oh no! It's almost nighttime. That means wait. The mouses are here. I could eat some mice. Do anyone want some mice? It's very delicious. No thanks, Panda Parrot. Suit yourself. I really like some mice. Oh my god. Have you ever eaten mice before? I have. Magic is back. I turned the lights back on. No, you didn't. Well, I guess I was in magic after all. I was in magic after all. I'm dark and shady as the sea. I'm just so dark and my back against the wall. But things are just coming to a hand. Oh, magic-y, oh, magic-y. Like anyone use you and that a second grade. Oh, magic E E E E E oh, E. I'll put in the way you want. You're gonna be like me. Magic E, magic E. Magic E E. Oh, magic E. Oh, magic E. Oh, magic. Oh, magic E. Let's eat some bugs at the night. Let's eat some bugs like Parrot the Parrot. Let's eat some caterpillars like a wanton. You never looked and see your shadow. You try to catch it, but you're just too slow. You're just too slow to catch it. You're just too slow to be it. No, you're just too slow, but you don't go outside. Don't go outside. Don't go outside. I just really wanted to go out. I just really wanted to go. I just really wanted to go. But I see now I can't be free. The shadow. Oh yes, fight the shadow off. Fight the shadow off. It follows me everywhere. Oh, Parrot the Parrot. Shadows are not monsters. We all just read. Oh, silly Parrot the Parrot. Shadows are not monsters, just their reflection. Reflection is everywhere, even in mirrors. You can see different kinds of reflections too. I'm scared. Don't worry, Parrot the Parrot. Here, I'm gonna pat you. Here, do you want a nice Parrot the Parrot? Yeah, definitely. Well, we have to go soon, but we can tell you a few more things before you go. Yeah, I think it would be best if you guys can leave now. No. Please, no. Yes, I think it's time for you to leave. No, please. Don't end the episode. This is like episode 4 or 3 or something. We just started out, man. Please. One more. Okay. We're going to talk about socks. Socks are everywhere. Socks within me even warm. They were in now. They were even long time ago before you was even born. Your mom, your grandfather, anyone in your family. Socks would be for all of that. And you know, socks was invented when we were just fish. Just fish. Hey. Oh, look at my teeth. My teeth. Was this fixed or something? Did I fix it? Yeah. Wait, is our action? Oh, sorry. Oh, I think it's fixed, but my leg is starting to hurt a lot for some reason. I really want to eat this little sunflower, but I kind of want to save it. And tomorrow is my grandma's birthday, and I think I should save. And I wanted to give her a sunflower thing. Don't tell anyone, please. Hey, this ants over here. I'm too tired. I'm just gonna go back to my nest. It's right here. I'm just going to go to sleep, guys. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye. So, roll the credits. This video was sponsored by viewers like you. Thank you. Goes on the adventures of the ground. He falls down, Parrot goes on the adventures of adventurers. This video was sponsored by Facebook and Vitamin Angels. Thank you.